Hato ka sengkai klau na rilum garo kata ka Garo National Liberation Army la ni ka GNLA kelas dang ban mi madan biang saji sien. Menuburan ketiha ka ban lum biang yakini kiri rekod jong ka GNLA. Kaya ka papelong ka GNLA ban mi pertai biang. Kaya kita ki majing dawa jong ka ni ka sengkai klau. Ayu ka sorkar ka ne ban yu rot ya ka ni ka seng hashwa ka jing ni jong ka kampung trim. Kubrai pelong ngadi ban ka teo Maori. But minta kentingi ya keren halor ke jingmi jangkawi kerwa ha social media ke bakam ba ke GNLA kan mi berthai biang sa sin. Dah kini ki keniat sngi balalen kalami kawai ke kerwa ha social media halor ke jing persang jo ke GNLA ban mi berthai biang sa sin. Kamishin por ya keni kerwa bakan sa priang ha social media but kum ke jing long brio mi kwa bentip ke ke jing shisha. Hatu ke ni ke kerwa ke dei ke bashisha ke balapha da ke GNLA. Ya gani kerwa la soi da wei ubriu bla tip kerteng ku mugoira pantora sangma ubakambo de u chairman jong ka GNLA regroup ka kerteng ka batmai bala ya gani ka seng katkum kani kerwa la kamba ka ni ka GNLA regroup la thau bia ya ka ha ka nyau trek urempang arajar arpulai tiki kita ki majing dawa jong gani ka seng but ka kata ka bapelong ya ki ban thau biang ya gani ka seng kani kenhun ki ngatiar kala sei madani ki majing dawa jongka ya ka baka kwa ban pentrikam hari lum karo kita ki jing dawa ki kentop ya ka jingrat dingkhong ya ka bamsap ka jing pentrikam ya ki skim ba pher ki badai na ka benta ki baduk ki besuk ka jing pentrikam ya ki ang ki bayada ya ka riti ka dustur jong ki karo ka jing pentrikam ya ka inner line permit bat ki wei de kani kam de ka sin ka banikong balami ka kijing suba halor ka jing thumu jong ka GNLA ban mi perthai biang sa sit kat kum kijing tho balami hakikat khobor ba pher ki pulik le thu ba arsna min shwa bla kem ya angot ki priu hadin bala pinmi ya ki dor ba ki video ki ba kam ba ka GNLA ka don kum ba san spa ngot ki record na South Garo Hills but West Khasi Hills but ba ki dei ki nong ya lam jong ka ni kan hun ka bala pintipet bha haki kam ya le thma Henry ke kala long penban ke kam thok hakaba lalap bakini arngut ki bakam bakide ki nong yalam jong kan dia seng ki dei tang ki dekot ki bla seng ka ban lum pisa bian Henry Hato ki pulit ki la pynkhreh ban tembat aireng persya ya kan dia kan hun ya menta hi ki pulit ki dang tokit halor ke jengmi kan san jong kan dia kerwa ban lap sai na kami bat manu pinmi ya ka kalkum ke jing ong jung sumbut menteri rang ba ke jela bakmi ki tenat ki kampo yen ubak preston tensong ulo ong bagi pulit ke jelakin om ai lat ya kani ke kenhun ke bala jat ke bala pra ban mi perthai biang
you don't know whether this news is true or false, but what I'm trying to tell you 24/7 police forces are always ready and we are proactive to any such, be it the news or be it the intention of maybe few group of people or maybe some young boys who wanted maybe to have that luxury of having a new group or something. Even last year it has come out like that, where I don't know, few section of media, they said that GNLA regrouping, but let me tell you one thing, last year also we verified and there was no such thing, and even now if they are, our police forces is ready to eventually go to any extent. The police is on the ground, and number two, our intelligence report also is fully strengthened. So please leave it to us. But let me assure you, as I said again, that regrouping will not at all happen, and we are not going to allow that.
Hakawai pagkaliang u MLA kaliang persya na pynkhreh usaleng sang mau lo ong ba ka sorkar ka dei benti bat wat pnia ya ka jing shisha bat om ban shu hensting ya ka ulo ong ru ba ka sorkar ka dei ban kem mardor gitu gibri gibran kti haka ban pensa priang ya ka ni kerbo bat benrap ba ka congress kan sa syong perkhat halor ka ni kaman bat kalaru ban ra ya ka ni kaman ha ka yeng dorbar
it's the duty of the government whether it's a fact or it's a really true. So that way, it's the it's the government who should look into this matter seriously. If it is, if it is a fact, then they should arrest the person who is viraling this particular video or maybe any Facebook, whatever it may be. No, it's the duty of the government. You see, last time, even the GNLA, the HNLC went back because they were not satisfied with the talks. So maybe this might be happening with the GNLA also. So that way, they might have been thinking about the, certain issues which they are not satisfied. You never know. I cannot speak on behalf of them. You see, we'll discuss the matter with our, leaders. We have got our Congress groups and then other, opposition leaders also. So we'll discuss the matter with them and then we will see to take up or not. Because whether this is, somebody is playing frank on it or not, you never know.
Hato kani kerwo kedai tang kum kawai ni kila lumpi sabian de don jing shisha shalanda jongka pisngo kumno. Pasal ikijing mur kijong pi hak comment section po buat wat klet pan like share dan subscribe ya kani ke channel kejangi. Tak hadu kowe ke pot ngadi iban letiu mauri nagamenta u for front media.